Hey guys, this is Anonymous, and today I will be solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And yes, I got a haircut. Okay, here we go. Alright, here we go. Goodness. There it is. Alright, I hope, oh, what? Okay, I hope you liked that video. If you want me to do, like, a Rubik's Cube series every, Wednesday, then I could do that, because I'm obsessed with them. If you want me to make more Rubik's Cube videos with this one, I have a lot more, like, we could do with this one or something. If you want me to, then just give us feedback. Just comment down below if you think that we should keep doing this, or we already wrote out a schedule and there's just a bunch of blank series number 1, series number 2 for Josh and I. So just leave down below a series you want for us to do. Like, comment, of course comment, and subscribe. Best part, subscribe. And share this with other people. Okay.